Hello friends, today we are going to unbox OnePlus Nord 2, the latest phone by OnePlus. So, my name is Rahul, you are watching Rahul Tech. Let's start the video. So, we have ordered a 8GB RAM and 128GB variant, and the color of this phone is haze blue. So, let's unbox it. As you can see, it's a very good looking box. So let's see what's there inside the box. So on the top we have the phone itself. Let me just take off the phone and keep it aside. Let's see what all there in the box. So we have a transparent case for this phone. It's a nice looking case, and there are some documentations with this phone and the red cable card with this. It's a nice looking card, and we have a SIM ejector tool. So we have the charging cable and a 65-watt charging adapter. So this charger will charge the OnePlus Nord 2 in just 30 minutes as per OnePlus. So keep this all aside and let's check the phone. So let me peel off the cover. So as you can see, we have a beautiful phone. It's a haze blue color. It's looking nice. The screen size of this phone is 6.43 inch, and it comes with the Dimensity 1200 AI processor, octa-core processor. So we have the power button to the right and the volume buttons to the left side, and a front facing camera with 32 megapixel. So let's power it on. So as you can see, it's a very beautiful phone and it's on. Let's quickly set up this phone. We are setting this up, setting this phone, and as you all know that Oppo and OnePlus has combined their hands, and this phone has the combination of Oppo and OnePlus, the software combination we have here. So let's quickly set up. So this phone gets with a in-display fingerprint sensor. So I'm adding my fingerprint here. Done. The setup has been almost done. So as you can see, it's showing the instructions, how to use the phone. So it's done. Setup has been completed. So as you can see, the phone screen is very bright and beautiful. It's looking stunning. So let me show you the about the phone. And as you can see, the processor in this phone is Dimensity 1200 AI octa-core processor, and the oxygen variant, the OS variant in this is 11.3. So this phone comes with 4500 mAh battery, and this phone comes with a fluid AMOLED display with a refresh rate of 90 Hz. The resolution of this phone is 2400 by 1080. So this phone comes with 90 Hz of refresh rate and fluid AMOLED display. So as you can see, it's responding to every touch. So when we talk about the camera, it comes with Sony IMX766 50 megapixel, 8 megapixel and 2 megapixel camera, triple AI camera. So you can record 4K videos at the rate of 30 fps, and to the front we have a 32 megapixel camera which will record a video of 1080 at 30 by 60 fps. So you can also record the slow motion at the rate of 1080 video at 120 fps, and 720p video at 240 fps. So let's open up the camera, and so as you see on the screen, it's taking a beautiful picture. So let's take out a picture of an object, and so as you can see on the screen, it's taking very beautiful picture here with detailed, and it got different mode, as you can see, night mode as well. You can take bright pictures during the night as well, and it got dual view video, slow motion, time lapse, movie expert, and many other options with this camera. So you will get the SIM tray in the below of this phone. Let me just take off the SIM tray. So as you can see, it's a dual, and it's got some protection so that water should not get inside this phone. So let me just put it back. So I got this phone from Amazon at 23,000 after exchanging my old phone. So if you want to go for this phone, you should it's a better option when compared to other. So I suggest you to go with this during the Amazon sale. So we have placed the SIM tray back, and as per OnePlus, you will be getting 2 years of software update with this phone and 3 years of Android security patches. So that's a good option and good feature by OnePlus. So I'd suggest you people, if you are planning to buy a new phone, you should go with this. So that's it for today, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.